Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to add Magnify effect on any portion of image file for free in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and into Google search for one application name as PicPic. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now click on this download option. Now below you can see a download option as well as a portable version. So the first one is installer file and the second one is the portable version. So you can download either one of this. So I'm gonna download the portable version. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now we'll see here application PicPic. Just double click on it. Now you will see here tons of options. So now just drag the image file here. So now I want to magnify this portion of the respective image. So just click on this save option. And now you will see here one plus like circle icon. Just select it and now just press and hold your left mouse button and just select the area. You can resize it just by dragging it up. And once you're done with your editing, you can see your file. Just click on it. Now click on the save as. Now you can select the various image formats. So here I'm gonna save it as JPG and click on save. Now let us check the output folder. So finally you can see we have magnified this respective portion of this image file. So by using this application named as PicPic, you can easily add magnify effect on any portion of image file for free in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.